Today I bring to you a restaurant style recipe that is Veg Chilli Milli. For all you spice lovers, this is going to be a treat because it's loaded with green chilies. Hi guys, this is Ruchi. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's begin with this recipe. Starting with heating some oil, so about a tablespoon and a half. Next add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, I'm going to add in 1 shredded onion. Cook the onion for a few seconds. Next add in 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger finely chopped. Cook this till the onions soften. Once the onions are slightly browned and softened, into this I'm going to add in 4 tomatoes chopped. While the tomatoes are cooking, into this I'm going to add in a little bit of salt so that the tomatoes cook quickly. Also add in 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder and 1 teaspoon Coriander Powder. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. So about 4 to 5 whole cashews, and let the tomatoes cook on low heat till they are nice and soft and also dried a little bit. The tomatoes have nicely softened and as well as the moisture has dried out. I'm going to turn off the flame, cool it slightly and grind it into a paste. I've finished grinding the tomato onion paste and now let's get on with the recipe. So part 2 of the recipe, heat a little more oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in half a cup of French beans chopped, as well as half a cup of green peas. Stir fry the vegetables. They need to be cooked like about 70-75%, not completely cooked. So keep a check on them. You can add a little bit of salt for them to retain color and cook quicker. Let them fry for about 2 minutes in oil and then you can add in a little bit of water so that they boil. Veg Chilli Milli will be ready in a jiffy, so will the shout out segment. So stay tuned till the end. So I've been stir frying the beans and the peas for about 4 minutes and I've still not added any water. I basically didn't need to. They're half done now, and now into this I'm going to add in some carrot julienne. So this is 1 carrot that I've julienned here. Let's add it in, as well as 1 capsicum that's cut lengthwise. There are such beautiful colors in the pan. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes before we add in the remaining ingredients. But of course, the name of the recipe is Chilli Milli, so the next ingredient is green chilies. I've taken light green chilies which are not very spicy and thinly sliced them because I like to get a few in every bite that I take. You can even cut them into bigger pieces or lengthwise, however you want. But I like it nice and fine, so I'm going to add about 5 light green chilies into the vegetables. Stir fry the chilies for a few seconds and next I'm going to add in the tomato onion paste. Give it a good mix. Cook the gravy for a few seconds. Let's add in some water for the gravy. Also add in 150 grams of diced cubes of paneer. So I've just finely diced them. Let's add it in. 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And a little bit of coriander leaves. Give this a good mix. I use Kashmiri red chilli powder in the gravy paste, but if you wish and you have whole Kashmiri chilies, you could even use about 4 to 5 of them, and of course eventually it's going to be in the paste. Cook the gravy for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the vegetable is ready, but I do have a few finishing touches that I need to do. So let's just move this on the side. And I've taken the same light green chilies and I've just slit it slightly in the center. And now what I'm going to do is, for those chili lovers, I'm going to burn them on the flame and then use them as a garnish. And of course, you can enjoy it. So be very careful. On low flame, just place the chilies. Just keep turning them around till they are charred. You can use a pair of tongs to turn them around, or you can even place them on a papad jali so that you don't burn. So this one seems to be done, so I'm going to get it out. Just slightly char it from all the sides. You could even fry these chilies if you wish, but I like them charred. This one is done as well. Done. And time to plate. I'm going to garnish this whole bowl of vegetable with these charred green chilies. And done. Just squeeze a little bit of lime juice over these charred green chilies and take a bite with every bite of the vegetable. Enjoy it with some parathas or naan or kulchas or whatever. And you don't need to visit any restaurant to enjoy this restaurant style chili milli. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. There's something about restaurant style food that want us to try it at home, isn't it? Which restaurant style recipe would you like me to replicate? Do let me know in the comment section below.